Welcome back to the third part of the Ultimate HTML and CSS series. In this part, we're going to put everything together to build a beautiful, responsive, and blazingly fast website for an imaginary cloud hosting company called Moshify. If you want to play with this website, just head over to moshify.com and see it for yourself. This is what you're going to build in this course. We'll start with a Photoshop design mockup, and I will teach you a systematic approach to hand code this design mockup into a fast and responsive website that looks great on all screen sizes. I will walk you through my entire thought process and explain every line of code I write so you understand the whats, whys, and hows. This is the best opportunity for you to practice everything you have learned in this series and reach a true level of mastery. So by the end of this course, you'll be able to convert a Photoshop design mockup into a fast and responsive website with confidence. So are you excited to build this website with me? Then let's jump in and get started.